Hello, band family. My name is Mrs. Sara Wiley, and this is our band hall here at South Belton Middle School. And we are very glad to have your children in our band hall this year. And today I'm going to show you a few things about our program that we would like for you to have a little more information about what all we do here. So once again, welcome. I am Miss Wiley. And this is our little pretend band hall. We're happy to have you here. This is my email address. It's sara.wiley@bisd.net. I prefer if you would contact me by email. It's the easiest way for me to get back to you. I'm in my 20th year of teaching and my first year here at South Belton Middle School. I'm very excited to be here. I've taught in the states of Maryland, Virginia, Indiana, Mississippi, and also in Texas. I have 5 children. My youngest is 1 year old, and my oldest is a 9th grader at New Tech High School, and he's 14 years old. My husband spent 12 years in the Marine Corps and played trumpet in the Commandant's own Marine Drum and Bugle Corps in Washington, D.C. My main instrument is the flute, and I performed with many professional ensembles across the United States. The band website is listed right here, sbmsband.net. This is the best place for any information. We give regular updates. We have our calendar up there for all events, trips, and concerts, and we have forms for ordering shirts, decals, or to borrow a school instrument. We also have a supply list in case you are curious or are missing any of the supplies. Our band curriculum is a little bit different this year, seeing as it's a unique year. We are faced with many difficulties and obstacles that may prevent the traditional performances and field trips, but we are trying to specialize with more individualized instruction. This will lead to individual musical growth and appreciation. Technology has made many new things possible, and as we try new ideas and plan for virtual events for our students. We appreciate your support and your patience as we navigate through these uncharted waters. As always, please stay in touch, and email is preferred. Once again, here's my email address as well as my direct line here at school. In-person and at-home learners. In-person learners will learn to play their instruments in a safe, socially distanced environment. As you see here in our classroom, we have our chairs spaced more than 6 feet apart. We also have our students playing with band masks on, and then they also have bell covers over the ends of their instruments to help minimize and eliminate any water droplets from spreading in the room. At-home learners are encouraged to log on to Zoom during class in order to get direct teacher feedback and participate in class real time. For those who participate asynchronously, they are expected to watch the Zoom from class that day and participate along with the video. All students should be practicing their instrument and turning in weekly practice cards the first day that they have class every week. So those students who have it on A days will turn it in, if A day's on Monday, we'll turn it in on Mondays, and then if it's a B days the first day we see them, then they could turn it in on Tuesday. There are also extra copies of those practice cards in the band hall and on Schoology. Grading. So next, the students receive 40% of their grade goes towards minor grades, and 60% is major grades. Minor grades include daily participation, the practice records we just spoke of, and any other written assignments. Major grades include playing tests, concerts, and performances. Here at South Belton Middle School, we have a private lesson program. We have instructors that will come in or will virtually work with the students one-on-one. They can do that during their class time or in the evenings or weekends as the schedule is convenient for you. Private lessons are the fastest way for our students to improve on their instrument. We have amazing private lesson staff available for our students every week that will work with them one-on-one to help those work hard and reach their potential. Students enrolled in private lessons usually make all-region band, earn first division superior ratings on solos, sit at the top of their section, and eventually can make the Texas All-State Band in high school, which usually results in full scholarships to college. Private lessons are vital to any quality band program and are strongly recommended for all members. Please go to sbmsband.net/private lessons to sign up. We also have scholarships for private lessons available. This form is also available on the website underneath the same tab for private lessons. Next, we have performances. So we are all curious about what performances are going to look like this year. And these are the things we currently know about our performances. Number one, we want to provide our students the ability to perform in a safe environment. We are hoping to provide these opportunities to our students and give them that avenue in which to express themselves and to be able to perform for the public. Fall concerts have been put on hold. We hope to hear about winter concerts in the next month or so. We will continue to communicate with you as we are made aware of any updates. Only in-person students may participate in concerts, contests, or field trips. At-home students are invited to come to band class each day in order to qualify to perform at these concerts. Please visit sbmsband.net regularly for any updates, please. Additional communication and social media. The SBMS band has plenty of social media available for you to communicate and stay in the loop of everything that's going on. We have a group and a page on Facebook. If you could please follow and like both those groups. The SBMS band also has an Instagram account. So please find us on Instagram and follow us. We have Remind, where we also send out regular text messages. So please join one of these groups. If you're in the beginners ensemble, and this is your first year in band, you're going to text this right here to the number 81010 to join. Symphonic band, wind ensemble, and jazz bands. Again, this will give you all of our regular updates and any additional messages that come out through your phone, either on the app or through text messages, whatever you set it up to be. And that is pretty much how we are going to be running things this year. Please feel free to reach out and ask if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer anything you may have a question about. I hope you all have a great week, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.